When it comes to conducting land surveys for the government in Thiruvananthapuram, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted and reliable choice. As a leading land surveying company in the region, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of experienced and skilled surveyors who are well versed in the local regulations and requirements. They have the expertise and knowledge to accurately measure and map out government land for various purposes, such as urban planning, infrastructure development, and property ownership verification. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of precision and accuracy in land surveying, especially when it comes to government projects. Their team of surveyors utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and advanced techniques to ensure that every measurement is precise and reliable. They also follow strict quality control procedures to ensure that their survey results meet the highest standards set by the government. As a GOVT land surveyor in Thiruvananthapuram, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is committed to providing efficient and timely services. They understand that government projects often have strict deadlines and budget constraints, and they strive to meet these requirements without compromising on the quality of their work. Their team works closely with government officials and stakeholders to understand their specific needs and goals, ensuring that their surveying services are tailored to meet these requirements. In addition to their expertise in land surveying, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers a range of other services related to land development and infrastructure planning. They have a team of experienced professionals who can assist with land acquisition, site analysis, and feasibility studies. With their comprehensive suite of services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a one-stop solution for all government land surveying needs in Thiruvananthapuram. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable and reliable GOVT land surveyor in Thiruvananthapuram. Their team of experienced surveyors and comprehensive range of services make them a trusted choice for government projects. Whether it's for urban planning, infrastructure development, or property ownership verification, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is equipped to handle all land surveying needs with precision and efficiency. Accurate and precise land surveys for government purposes in Thiruvananthapuram. Experienced surveyors well versed in local regulations, infrastructure development, urban planning, property ownership verification, and more.